Hey guys, let's quickly connect your Epson printer to Wi-Fi in just a few simple steps. If your printer has a screen, go to Settings, then select Wi-Fi Setup or Network Settings. Choose your Wi-Fi network name from the list and enter your password carefully. Once connected, you'll see a Wi-Fi icon on the screen. That means you're good to go. If your printer doesn't have a screen, just hold the Wi-Fi button until it blinks, then press the WPS button on your router. You can also use your computer. Connect with a USB cable and follow the setup software steps.
Or download the Epson printing app on your phone and add your printer bisahula.
And that's it. Make sure your printer and device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.